I'm Dr. Scott Serkis from the Michigan Institute of Urology. We at the MIU pay attention to men's health in general, and I'm going to speak today about why golf is good for your health. What is it about the game of golf that makes it good for our health? Along with many other activities, golf has specific qualities that promote well-being for men as we age. Unlike many of the other sports that men play in their youth, as we grow older, the physical demands of golf enable it to be played at a high level of expertise as we continue to mature. In fact, golf, if practiced routinely and played with an effort to develop and maintain the skills which the game requires, can be a positive force in maintaining a youthful physique, posture, and general appearance, as well as being emotionally uplifting. One explanation of the game's perennial popularity are its social qualities. While one may easily practice the game alone, it is usually played in a group, typically 4 players, or a foursome, spending uninterrupted hours together while walking or riding among some of the most picturesque landscapes that our communities offer. While golfers may pursue the sport first and foremost, golf also promotes friendships, conversations, sharing of personal feelings and insights, and of course, the good humor of the proverbial golf joke, for which the game is famous. Many men, especially in middle age, get emotional satisfaction and build friendships that are just easier to establish when spending quality time with others on the golf course. This quality pursuit, which combines physical fitness, some wonderful fresh air, and concentrated mental focusing, is often shared by husbands and wives, or parents with their children. Just as male bonding is promoted by the atmosphere of the game, so may our most important family relationships be strengthened by the opportunity to share quality time with those people who are closest to us. The pursuit of golf perfection is more than just hitting a great shot. It's about creating great memories shared among friends or family. If one travels to play golf, the venues available are innumerable and create amazing vacation opportunities. Golf at a professional level, through the PGA, specifically supports men's health initiatives, including prostate health awareness, screening for low male testosterone hormone levels, and the support of physical fitness programs. One of golf's great players, Arnold Palmer, has spoken out publicly about his own experience with the diagnosis and treatment of his prostate cancer. After his treatment, which was surgical removal of the cancer, he has gone on to play golf and has become a strong advocate of the need for men to seek regular examinations and PSA tests, which he believes enabled him to beat his cancer. He publicly expresses great gratitude to his physician's vigilance and to his own pursuit of health in a proactive manner. Prostate cancer has no early signs or symptoms and can only be detected by the careful examination of the prostate gland by a man's doctor. Physical activities, including golf, promote many of the benefits that help a middle-aged man to maintain youthfulness, vitality, and a smile on the face, and from inside as well. The pursuit of golf improves flexibility, balance, core strength, and mental concentration. These are some of the most important qualities of health to preserve in the aging process. The combination of fine motor skills and core strength required to have a fine golf swing is motivating. It encourages the participation and maintaining of physical fitness. Accompanied by aerobic physical conditioning on a regular basis, the frequent golfer may achieve excellent overall fitness. Golf lessons from a PGA professional are so important to realize one's playing potential and promote the balance, posture, and coordination of the upper and lower body that a proper golf swing requires. Working on one's golf is fun, positively reinforcing, and can establish excellent fitness habits. Injuries are uncommon among those men who take the conditioning part of the game seriously. While much of one's health is dictated by fate, we wish to do what we can to improve our well-being. We may improve some aspects of our physical and psychological health through pleasurable athletic pursuits, golf being one of many men's favorites.